me again. Right, so slot cutter. This is the longest blade, 128. So yeah, it's the same I've done a couple of weeks back, a little bit of embossing, but I didn't use this one, I'm just showing. So it's quite a long cut, it will do, 128, so it's ideal for wallets, straight on wallets and that. Yeah, this is the longest blade. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try it out on 2 different thickness leather. The first one I got, these are all vegetarian, quite, you know, this is quite soft, flexible. So let's have a look. This should be a couple of mil. Yeah, so we're looking at 2 mil, just over 2 mil thickness. And this sort of leather, again, it's a vegetarian, natural. It's for belts and that. Horse harness, that type of stuff, but I use it for making belts. And this is what, 3.79, just on that thickness. Right, so let's have a look. Let's put that down there. Let's do the thinner one first of all. We'll go long ways. In the old trusty mallet. Not bad cut. Nice smooth edge. Right, let's have a look. So it's slightly thicker. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a width and a long cut with it. So I'm just going to sort of square off that edge. Might one more tap, I reckon. There we go. Same again. That's a nice cut. That is. Really pleased with that. Right, let's see. Just on the long edge, just split this in half. So it's just a little bit of scrap. Split and see what we do there. Right. Alright, let's cut big wax. That's one more. There we go. Oh, one more. Oh, and that's come loose. Right, that'd be me for not screwing that in tight enough. But again, well pleased with the edges. Can't remember what bloody edges were. That one, yeah, it was those. So those edges there. Yeah, well pleased with it. It was a worthwhile little purchase. Very short video. That's it. Catch you soon.